You go to bed, close your eyes, and ... you wake up groggy, heavy, and unrefreshed, even if you slept 7 or 8 hours. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Nearly 1 in 3 adults struggle with sleep at least once a week. But the good news is, you don't need prescription meds or expensive machines to fix your sleep. Sometimes, it's about the small, consistent habits and the right tools that train your body to relax and reset. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact 7 tools and science-backed tips I've attested personally to improve my sleep. Naturally, these work across age groups, for busy professionals, parents, and anyone who needs to function at their best the next day. I've linked everything I use down in the description if you want to try them yourself. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, magnesium glycinate. This supplement changed my sleep completely. Most people are magnesium deficient, especially if you're stressed or drink caffeine. Glycinate is the form that supports your nervous system, helps you fall asleep faster, and reduces nighttime wake-up. I take 200 to 400 milligrams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You'll feel the difference within days. Check the description for the brand I personally trust. Clean, no fillers, third-party tested. Tool number 2, blue light blockers. If you're staring at screens after sunset, Netflix, your phone, your laptop, you're sabotaging your melatonin production. Blue light tells your brain it's still daytime. The fix? Blue light blocking glasses or software filters like F-Lux or Night Shift Mode. I use both. I wear blue blockers starting at 8 p.m. and dim my screen brightness. It sounds simple, but it makes a massive difference in how tired I feel before bed. Tool number 3, a consistent wind-down routine. Most people go straight from stimulation to trying to sleep, emails, TikTok, texts. The brain needs a transition phase. Mine includes stretching, herbal tea, and reading fiction. No work, no news, just slowing down. Pick 2 to 3 calming activities and do them every night in the same order. That pattern tells your brain, we're shutting down now. If you're finding this helpful already, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. What's one habit that messes up your sleep most? Tool number 4, white noise or sound machines. If you're sensitive to sound, dogs, traffic, neighbors, white noise can block that out and help your brain stay in deep sleep longer. I use a sound machine that plays low hum or rainfall, and sometimes a free app when I travel. It's an easy fix that costs less than $30 and can massively improve sleep quality. Tool number 5, bedroom temperature. Here, a science-backed truth. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit to fall asleep. That's why cool rooms equals better sleep. I set my thermostat to 65 minus 67 degrees Fahrenheit at night. If you can't control that, try a cooling pillow, lightweight bedding, or even sleepwear, designed to reduce heat retention. Tool number 6, sleep tracking. I know it sounds obsessive, but hear me out. Devices like the Aura Ring or basic sleep apps help you see what affects your sleep. Caffeine, alcohol, exercise, timing, even late meals. You don't need to overanalyze. Just use the data to make smarter decisions. I discovered I sleep way worse when I eat too late, and I would have never noticed without tracking it. I linked a few options, from premium to budget, in the description. And finally, tool number 7, light exposure in the morning. Sleep starts in the morning. Getting 5 to 10 minutes of real sunlight before 10 a.m. boosts your melatonin production that night. It resets your circadian rhythm and helps you fall asleep easier later. If you wake up before sunrise or live somewhere dark, try a daylight therapy lamp. I turn mine on while I drink my morning water. Simple habit, big impact. Let's quickly recap the 7 tools for deep, natural sleep. Magnesium, glycinate, blue light blockers, wind-down routine, white noise, machine cooler, sleep environment, sleep tracking, morning sunlight exposure, sleep ISNT, just about how long you in bed. It's about quality. And with a few adjustments, you can fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling like your brain actually rebooted. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe if you want more performance-based wellness content that's built for real life. All the tools and supplements I mentioned are in the description, including the exact brands I personally use. Thanks for watching, and sleep well tonight.